might be able to hear the traffic because I'm right near the main road now, but if you look at some of these, you can see that they've got very long thin stems, which should be suitable for working with. So when I'm going in here, let's see what we can find. These are quite tough, so they're going to snap quite easily, but if I just go around the corner here, some of this new growth, can you see the difference? It's much softer and much bendier, so that's what you're looking for. You don't want the skin that's dry and harsh, you want to look that it can bend and not snap too easily. Okay, so here's some more leaves you could use, just to demonstrate what I've been saying about the old and the new growth. Now if you look on here, you've got the old growth further back, which is very woody, and it's the new growth that you want to take some of. And if you just do what I'm doing, can you see? I'm just bending it with my fingers. If it bends like that, then it should work really well for making some small projects.